Aston Martin Valkyrie, the car that erased the line between Formula One and the street. This isn't a hypercar chasing records, this is a rolling experiment in insanity, where engineering ambition went completely unchecked. At first glance, the Valkyrie doesn't look designed, it looks calculated. Every surface exists for airflow. The body is carved, hollowed, and tunneled until air becomes the primary passenger. Those massive Venturi channels aren't styling drama, they generate extreme downforce without giant wings, pinning the car to the road at speeds most machines can't even reach. Then there's the heart of the madness, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 built by Cosworth. No turbos, no superchargers, just pure mechanical violence screaming past 11,000 revolutions per minute. On its own, it makes over 1,000 horsepower, and when paired with its hybrid system, total output climbs even higher. The sound isn't refined. It's raw, sharp, and unapologetically brutal, like a race engine that escaped the pit lane. The Valkyrie's chassis is just as extreme. A carbon fiber monocoque so tight the seats are molded directly into the structure. Drivers don't sit in it, they wear it. The pedal box is adjustable, the steering wheel pulls straight from motorsport, and visibility feels secondary to performance because this car was never meant to be comfortable. It was meant to be fast. Weight kept brutally low. Every gram was questioned. Titanium components, minimalist interior, even the badges are engineered for weight savings. The result is a power-to-weight ratio that borders on absurd, delivering acceleration that feels more like being launched than driven. What truly separates the Valkyrie is intent. This wasn't built to dominate drag strips or flex on spec sheets. It was built to deliver a driving experience so intense, it rewrites expectations of what a road-legal car can be. Steering response is immediate. Throttle input feels telepathic. At speed, downforce increases so dramatically that grip feels unreal. The Aston Martin Valkyrie isn't about comfort, practicality, or mass appeal. It's about pushing boundaries until they disappear. A machine created when engineers were told no limits and actually listened. So the real question isn't how fast it is. It's whether the road was ever ready for something like this.